today's video regarding Canon Pixma TR7660 printer. I'm going to show you how to do the unboxing, setup and Wi-Fi setup of this printer so that we can use it for wireless printing and scanning, and how to install the setup ink cartridges, load A4 size sheets, how to do the multiple scannings. So let's start with the unboxing. So now I'm going to show you how to set up this printer. Now the first thing is to install the A4 size sheets. So we can do it at the front tray, which is a cassette tray, also at the rear paper tray. For rear paper tray you just have to slide it out, and here we can place the page, as you can see here, and you can just close this section, but the page will stay out. And if you don't want to keep it out, you can just close it and you can open the cassette tray. So here we can place the pages as well. So just adjust the size. And you can simply close it. Now switch on the printer, so just press the power button. Also we can slide it out so that we can see it clearly. Now select the language and you can confirm, set to English, yes. Now it says start and just click OK. Next step is to install the ink cartridges. Open the ink cartridge chamber door, as you can see. So you just have to place the fingers on a side and lift the ink cartridge chamber door. It will hold itself and the ink cartridge chamber will move into the middle. Also take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. So these are the 5 ink cartridges. So you just have to tear the outer sealing and remove the cover. Also there is an orange seal, we have to just pull it on one side and take it out. Now your ink cartridges are ready. So do it for all of these ink cartridges. Now we have to install the ink cartridges one by one. So match the alphabets and the color. So C will go here and press it down. PGBK will be the next. Y. So you just have to slide these little bit in and then press it down. It will lock itself. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door. Press the ink cartridge chamber door down and it will lock. It will lock itself. And it shows up the ink cartridges which are installed. Now it's saying start alignment to improve the print quality. So click OK. Now it says it will take about 4 minutes. We can also take the paper tray out. So just put your hand here and you will see. Now wait for the ink cartridge alignment page to come out. The next thing is to take this paper out, as we can see here, and place it on the scanner. Now open the top scanner lid and place this page facing downwards on the left hand side corner, and close the lid and click OK on the screen. So on the screen we have to click OK as the alignment is done. Click on next. So just agree with the terms and conditions. So it's asking if you want to take part in a survey. So I just want to know. So here we see printer setup is complete, and click next, click OK. Now we can see here the main screen of this printer. It says copy, scan, print, and also the setting option. Now I'm going to show you how to connect this printer with the Wi-Fi network of your home or office. So this is a touch screen printer, and here we see the setting option. Click on that. Click on the device settings. Here is the LAN settings. Now you will see the Wi-Fi here, so click on that. Now click on the Wi-Fi setup, and the next we see is manual connect. On the second number, click on that. It will search for the available wireless networks in your range. So here is the one I'm going to connect. Click on that. Now enter the password of your home or office Wi-Fi network. So once you enter the password, click OK, and click OK again, and wait for the connection to set up. And the final message we can see here is connected to the wireless router. Click OK again. Now press on the home button, and here on the screen you will see the wireless is on and it is showing up here. Now I'll show you how to add it to your device, for example iPhone, and use it for the wireless printing and scanning. Go to your iPhone and open the Canon Print app. And when you open it, it will ask you, do you want to search for available printers? We click on the yes, and just wait for automatically set up this printer in this app. Your phone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi as you have connected it with the printer. And once you do it, you will see here automatically it is connected, and if you want you can just start printing photos from here, or just click cancel. And if you want to know more, you can just click OK. It will take you to the Canon website. Otherwise click close. Here we see Canon TR7600 series printer, and you can see it has a document print section, also the scanning. So I'll show you the scanning. So click on the scan button. Now this printer is capable of doing multiple scannings at a time, so you can convert it as into a single PDF file. So this is the top section where we can place the pages. Just place the pages here like this. So this is the automatic document feeder tray, and once we install the pages here, go to your iPhone and click on the scan button. Automatically it will start the scanning, so just wait for it. So here we can see the scan has been arrived. So if you scroll down, you will see all the 3 pages are here. Now it's very easy to save them, so just click on this icon and you can save it as a PDF or JPEG. So I'm going to use it as a PDF. On the next screen we get option to save it in a particular location, for example save to files, and here I can select for the Canon Print and click on the save on the top. Now it is saved there. So click on the back, go back. Now I'll show you how to do the wireless printing. For example, this is the document print section. Click on that, click on the documents and look for any page. For example, this is the page I'm going to print. So this is the page I'm going to print. Click on the next, click on the print button and wait for the printer to print the page. So here we can see the print has arrived. So overall I can say the printer is really good for the wireless printing and scanning. You can use it with the home or office Wi-Fi network. Also this printer is capable of Wi-Fi direct. That means like if you don't have home or office Wi-Fi network, you can use the inbuilt Wi-Fi of this printer, and you can watch my other videos to know how to use that. And if you are looking for multiple scannings as a single PDF file, you can do from the top automatic document feeder tray. So overall I can say the printer is really good for the home or office use. Thanks for watching.